In this video, we will guide how to add a call flow in ICTPBX Advanced PBX Software. Log into ICTPBX portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu PBX and then click on the sub-menu Call Flows. Click on the Add Call Flow button and you will be redirected to the Add Call Flow page. Enter the call flow name and extension number. Enter the feature code such as *500 or *99 and also enter the PIN number. Enter the sound file in the Open Day tab. Select the application from drop-down. Then select the destination from drop-down. Enter the sound file in the Closed Night tab. Select the application from drop-down such as transfer, hang up or voicemail. And then select the destination type. After entering all the required information, click on Save button to save the call flow.